Good morning. Today I'm going to Brindabella mountain. This is the off-road area here. Ooh. It's cloudy today, but it's alright to make a trip. Ooh. My phone don't have a signal, no GPS, nothing. Ooh. There's a nice place here. I think in 15 kilometers need to arrive to Brindabella. Brindabella is not a girl, it's a small town in the mountains. I discovered an issue to my bike, I don't know why. Because it's ooh. Oh shit! Yeah, when I have the engine, when my engine is stopped and the bike is in the fourth gear, and try to start the engine, don't start, need to put in neutral. Yes, of course, without the side stand, just in the first gear. For example, you are at the traffic light, you want to go and stop the engine, yeah, no enough acceleration, or no synchronize the clutch, and the engine stopped. Do you want to try to start again the engine? No working, need to put in neutral. It's a shit, I don't know why happens this. I will ask when made the first service, because my BMW working, I can start from the first gear with clutch on. Same Kawasaki ER6N and Suzuki GCX. I don't know why change the. Woo! 60 kilometers per hour. I hope next week I will change the tires with off-road to be safe. And need to buy some tools for, I don't know, my bike have tubes, you know, in the tires, and need to buy some tools to take off the wheel and repair the tube if we have a flat tire. But I'm missing the tools. Whoa, what is here? No many cars today here, I don't know why. Oh. Need to discover this area before arriving the summer, because the last summer was a disaster, everywhere burning, a lot of smoke, blocked roads, cannot breathe, was a real disaster. Oh. Oh. I like the dust. Another one buys the dust. Oh, there is possible to raining the car. Yoo-hoo! Hey, what happened with my mirror? from vibration. Ooh. And finally I'm arrived. I don't know where. 12 kilometers to Brindabella, 4 to Bullhead. Wow. Okay, Brindabella first time. I'm in the middle of the forest now, and I like this road. What is here? It's a trap. But what happened here? Is the tarmac now. Yeah. Oh, nice. So nice in the middle of the forest to speed. It's first time for me. Ooh, need to be careful, I don't know the road. Fuck. Yoo-hoo! Oh my god! I hope no car coming here. Oh shit! Left or straight? Straight. Wow, so nice. Water! Water! What? Here. But where is Brindabella? Another 80 kilometers. It's not possible. Ooh. Trampoline. I don't have a map. Oh, stone again. La 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 la. Yeah, I found the way. Here is the Brindabella road. No. Whoa, a bird. Oh, another two riders. Nice. I'm going now to Piccadilly Circus. Thank you for watching me. See you next time, guys. Bye. A big kangaroo, guys. Look there. What's up, mate? I love kangaroos.